Did you know that you can start your physiotherapy career in the UK without any additional exams? Yes, you heard that right. So if you are an international physiotherapy graduate wishing to work in the UK, we have got some fantastic news for you. But to get there, you'll need to go through the HCPC registration process. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential documents you need for a successful HCPC application. Before we begin, we saw that 80.9% of you haven't subscribed yet. If our videos are helping you, please hit the subscribe button so that we can keep guiding you through your healthcare registration abroad. First up is proof of identity and address. This is essential to confirm your identity and location. You will need a current passport or a national ID card with your photograph. For proof of address, you can use a household utility bill, electricity, gas or water that's no older than 6 months, a bank or mortgage statement from within the last 6 months, or a government issued tax bill for the current year. Quick tip, make sure these documents display your full name and address. Keep in mind, mobile phone bills from outside the UK won't be accepted. Next is your course information and professional qualification certificate. You'll need to fill out the HCPC's course information form, which they'll provide. Plus, submit a certified copy of your qualification certificate that shows your educational background in physiotherapy. Make sure this is a certified copy, which we'll talk about more shortly. If English isn't your first language, you will also need to go through the proof of English proficiency. For this, you can submit one of these tests, the IELTS test, with an overall score of 7.0 and no section below 6.5. The HCPC accepts both IELTS Academic and General. Plus the bonus tip, you can now retake a single IELTS skill if needed. And as long as it's within 6 months of the original test, it works. This new rule can really help. Or the TOEFL Internet-Based Test, IBT, with a minimum score of 100 out of 120. Keep in mind, TOEFL tests taken in the UK aren't accepted, so you'll need to take this elsewhere.
Important update. Starting 29th of January 2025, OET or Occupational English Test will also be accepted as a proof of English language proficiency.
Now let's talk about certifying your documents. All the documents you upload must be certified copies of the originals. This means a trusted person like a doctor, lawyer or notary will sign and date your documents. And remember, this certification should be done within the last 6 months. Remember, you cannot certify your documents yourself. If your documents aren't in English, no worries. You'll just need to include certified translations along with the originals. Make sure these translations follow the same certification rules. This extra step ensures the HCPC can fully review your materials without any language barriers. Finally, you will need to complete a declaration. This confirms that all the information you provided is accurate and gives the HCPC permission to verify your background, identity, qualifications, and professional standing as well. By signing this, you are showing that you meet the HCPC standards for registration and are ready to begin your career in the UK. That's it, everyone. By gathering and certifying these documents, you will be well on your way to securing your HCPC registration. For extra support, you can check out Academically.'s HCPC registration guidance program to make the process even smoother. The link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and good luck with your HCPC application.